Hey everybody, it's Sharice. How are you all doing today? So I'm outside at my garden getting ready to harvest the last little bit of what I have. So I have a bunch of green tomatoes on the vine. It's getting kind of chilly here. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off the vine. And my mother told me to make some fried green tomatoes. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. If you like my videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when we upload new materials. And also please feel welcomed to share my videos. Thanks a lot. So they've been cooking for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them over. So they have a nice little coating on them. Again, I'm not real sure what to expect. I've never made these before, but hopefully they'll turn out good. All right, it's been a couple more minutes. And I have a plate with a napkin on it that I'm going to put them on to catch some of the oil. I just washed my hands, so I'm trying to be careful not to touch the grease because I sure don't want it to pop up on me. I think I'm gonna have to turn it down because they cooked a little bit too long on this side. Okay, so Ava's gonna try the fried green tomato.
Why does it taste almost like a pickle?
Oh, really? Okay. So what do you think?
Good.
You like it? Good. All right.
Fried green tomato. Okay, this is a fried green tomato.
Yeah. So have you ever eaten one?
No, I can't say that I have.
I don't think I had either. So, all right. So go ahead and taste it. Tell me what you think. And it brings into mind the movie called Fried Green Tomatoes, which I don't remember having anything to do with fried green tomatoes. So if anybody on here knows the movie,
I think they actually did make fried green tomatoes.
Oh, did they? I see. I didn't remember that.
Yep.
Okay.
I think it's Kathy Bates and I can't think of the other actress. It's good. I can kind of taste the twang that kind of gives it sort of a pickle flavor. But I like it.
Oh, okay. Well, good.
Yeah. Well, I like tomatoes anyway. So,
Yeah.
So whether they're fried or not, you know.
So what y'all don't realize while he's talking is this little thing right here, Miss Picky Eater, has been steady dipping into these tomatoes. So she apparently likes them.
Right. Oh, they're trying to smash all of them. Yeah, but they're good though. If you have not tried them, try them. Even if you don't like tomatoes, try them. As always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments down below. We do read them. And if you tried this recipe, we hope that you enjoyed it as much as we did. Until next time.